The angles of a quadrilateral are in AP and the greatest angle is double the least. Find the angles of quadrilateral in radians. अभी let the angles of quadrilateral are in degrees which is in AP. So angles क्या आएंगे? A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D और A plus 3D. ये अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन के एंगल्स हमने मान लिए. नाउ A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D is equal to 360 is equal to 360 डिग्रीज. और इसका रीज़न क्या है? सम ऑफ द एंगल्स ऑफ quadrilateral is 360 डिग्रीज. अभी इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? अभी दिस A plus A plus A and this A, this will become 4A. This 3D will cancel, this 3D and this D and this D will get cancelled. So 4A is equal to 360 degrees. Now A is equal to 90 degrees. Now according to the condition, the greatest angle is double the least. ये greatest angle है A plus 3D, that is double the least, means 2A minus 3D. So A plus 3D is equal to 2A minus 6D. So 3D plus 6D is equal to 2A minus A. Now 9D is equal to A, but A is what? A is equal to 90 degree. A is equal to 90 degrees. So 9D is equal to 90. So D is equal to 10 degree. Now measure, we have to find out the measure of angles of quadrilateral. So पहला एंगल क्या है? A minus 3D. A minus 3D. So 90 minus 3 into 10, that is equal to 60 डिग्रीज. अभी इसे हम रेडियंस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 60 इंटू पाई अपॉन 180 रेडियंस, दैट इज पाई बाई 3 रेडियंस. नाउ सेकेंड एंगल इज A minus D, that is 90 minus 10, that is equal to 80 डिग्रीज. अभी इसे हम रेडियंस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो दिस विल बिकम 2 4 8, 2 9 18, 4 पाई अपॉन 9 रेडियंस. नाउ A plus D, that is equal to 90 plus 10, that is equal to 100 degrees. So 100 into pi upon 180 radians. 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18. This is 5 pi upon 9 radians. Now fourth angle is A plus 3D, that is equal to 90 plus 3 into 10, that is 120 degrees. Convert this into radians. Pi upon 180 to 6. So 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18. So this is 2 pi upon 3 radians. So please subscribe the channel.